Alright, today we will be checking my inventory. First, we got this big bone blossom worth 3 quadrillion. Oh, I mean, it's way more. And then we got 4 of this. When I reach my goal is 400 subscribers or 500, I'll give away this headless horseman and of one of this bone blossom. So don't miss out. Bye.